Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP ZBook Studio 16 inch Z11 laptop driver. So first, how to come on this URL downloaded websites to first guys, type to Google search box like that. Okay, model number and driver download. Go to this URL support.hp.com. Just right click to new tab. Okay, wait few seconds, you can see your laptop here. Okay, choose operating system, it is default detect Windows 10, so click to, and then which is you using Windows 10, 10, 11 to 11. Okay, then you can see lot of driver you can show here. Just you can this is BIOS, so if you have to update BIOS, so you can download. Otherwise you have to install the basic driver. So I tell you, the first is the audio, second chipset, so try to first, then graphic card means display driver, this is NVIDIA, so try to NVIDIA because you can see the size. Okay, NVIDIA graphic card size is very high and this is good for your system. Then camera driver and fingerprint driver, so check both. Okay, and then network, so this is Wi-Fi and this is Bluetooth. Okay, and then you can see which is you selected all driver, you can here. So you just one click to download all driver. Okay, one by one, and how to install it you can see in the downloaded tab. So just one click to this file, then click to yes. All the installations process of all driver same. Okay, just single click yes, and then next you can see, you can check also your languages and like that. Then next, I accept, the next and next, and finished. Okay, so it will install in the background. So you install the all driver, 100% restart your system, because after the driver require restart for your system. Okay, thank you.